In this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat My AI if it's not responding. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network, as My AI requires an active internet connection to work properly. Next, you want to simply close the Snapchat app, then reopen it. A simple restart of the app can fix temporary glitches. If the issue continues, open Snapchat, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, then tap on the gear icon to open up settings. Now scroll down, get to the data saver option. Here, if you have enabled data saver, go ahead and turn that off, as it can sometimes affect certain Snapchat features. Next, head back. Now find the option of clear cache under privacy control, then tap on continue. Wait for some time and the cache will be cleared. If My AI is still not responding, then open Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and here type Snapchat. Now, if you find the update option, tap on it and update the app to the latest version. This should fix the issue. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.